Hello, my tiny tots. How are you doing today? I hope you're doing fine and taking good care of yourself. So, welcome back to Learn Power from Hi Kids, Feather Cap. And today we are going to learn about flowers. You know what are flowers? Yes, you see them every day in the park or in the garden or in your home or in your school also. So, flowers are everywhere and flowers are very colorful. Some flowers are in yellow in color, orange in color, pink, blue. In every color flowers are there, right? So let's learn about them. Okay, so these are different kinds of flowers here. Can you see these pictures? Yes, flowers are lovely, and flowers can be used for different kinds of decoration. In the parties or in the marriages, we use flowers for decoration. Yes, we decorate our home or the places with flowers. You have seen them? Yes, and we can also use flowers in rangoli. Flowers are very important and flowers gives very nice fragrance. Yes, flowers में से बहुत ही अच्छी खुशबू भी आती है. Okay, so हम flowers रंगोली में भी यूज कर सकते हैं. रंगोली हम कब बनाते हैं? दिवाली पे. Okay, so let's learn about the flowers. First is rose. First is rose. Here it is a red rose, but nowadays rose बहुत सारे colors में आते हैं. Yellow, white, pink. Okay, so rose comes in different shades now, but the common color is red rose. Okay, this is red rose. Next is lily. Next is lily. Lily is very expensive flower. Yes, this one is lily. Okay. Next is daisy. Next is daisy. It is also in white in color. This is daisy. Next is tulip. Next is tulip. Then lotus. This is lotus. And lotus कहाँ grow करता है? Mud में. Okay. Lotus grows in muddy water. And also lotus is our national flower. Yes, lotus is the national flower of India. पूरे इंडिया का national flower है. Okay. Next is marigold. Next is marigold. ये आपने देखा होगा माला में, गार्लैंड्स में जब हम भगवान जी को चढ़ाते हैं ना, वो मैरीगोल्ड की बनती हैं. ओके. नेक्स्ट इज sunflower. This is yellow in color. This sunflower. Next is jasmine. This is jasmine. Okay. This white in color. And the last one is hibiscus. Next is hibiscus, which is red in color. Which is red in color. Okay. So we have learned about 9 flowers today. Let's repeat them. Rose, lily, daisy, tulip, lotus, marigold, sunflower, jasmine and hibiscus. Okay. So please identify each flower and learn about them. Okay. Now next is color the lotus. We are going to color in this lotus because lotus is our national flower. Okay. Lotus is our national flower. So tell me, lotus is of pink in color. Okay. Lotus is in pink in color. So let's find if I have pink color or not. Let me check. Okay. So I don't have a pink color. So I will going to do red color. Okay. I will going to do red color in the lotus. But आप सबको पिंक कलर करना है. कैसे? I'll tell you. Like this, you are going to do pink color here. I don't have pink color, that is why I am using red color. Like this. You can color in the whole flower with using pink color. Okay. Now over here you can do green color. Here you can do green color like this. Make sure your color doesn't come out. Like this, you can do green color here. Okay, please finish it at your home. Very good. Now, don't forget about flowers and about national flower, which is lotus. Okay, now that's it for today. You have learned about different kinds of flowers. And I will see you in the next video. Till then, happy learning everyone. Bye bye. Take care.